Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm a developer on Galileo's curriculum and instruction team. I work year-round to create engaging STEAM projects to inspire your camper all summer long. Each day, your camper will have 3 rotations, each specially designed to foster innovation and creativity. Here's a sneak peek of some of the exciting things your camper will be doing this week in each one. In Innovator Studio, campers build creative confidence, turning their ideas into polished take-home projects. This week, Nebulas hop aboard for rail rides and road trips. One thing they'll build is a 2-car train, creating free-spinning wheels and axles that roll smoothly down a ramp, with an egg engineer and paper passengers safely inside. They'll practice being reflective by noticing where the wheels rub and adjusting until the train is on track. In Idea Lab, campers work collaboratively on daily design challenges. This week, your camper and their partner build a jellyfish tentacle, cutting nematocysts from paper strips and attaching them to a string until it's spiky enough to snag food when dragged through the ocean. They'll practice being determined by testing after each round, noticing which shapes caught the most and cutting more spikes until their tentacle is ready for the class feeding frenzy. And in outdoor adventure, campers play exciting games, take on team-building challenges, and engage in traditional camp fun. This week, they'll play games like Parachute Treasure Hunt, billowing the parachute high while treasure hunters dash underneath to collect as much foam ball loot as possible. They'll practice being collaborative by working together to keep the parachute aloft as long as they can and sharing strategies to maximize every treasure run. We can't wait for your camper to experience these activities along with the rest of the awesome projects this week. And remember, at Camp Galileo, kids bring home much more than just their projects. They bring home the creative confidence and problem-solving skills they'll need to thrive.